Hello guys, happy new year. Today is 1st January 2026 and I know you have created a lot of lot of resolutions regarding the 2026 and you have set your own goals to make accomplish by the end of this year. Okay. So you have created your own goals and I have created my own goals. Okay. Or if I tell you one of them is I created a goal for our YouTube channel, for our .NET community, for you as well, which is I want I have planned so much things for us. Okay. Or along with that, I have created five surprise in this video. Okay. Or I will tell you later in this video, so please stick till the end as well. Okay. So if I tell you about the journey of the front end to back end with Rohan, so it is we established our YouTube channel in August 2025, or at the same time we put our we post our first video, which is the dev talks. Okay. Or along with that, if I tell you the things we have successfully completed our 4 month journey, or we have for 50 plus subscribers on our YouTube channel. Along with that, 3300 plus followers and connections on my LinkedIn profile. Okay. So you helped me a lot to grow our YouTube channel, to our community. Or please keep supporting to me as well. Okay. Or definitely guys, I will support you, or I will put so much contents on my YouTube channel, on our LinkedIn profile as well. Okay. So there are a lot of things that we will see in this year. Okay. Or if I tell you that there is a newer box surprise for you, or I will show you the five surprise that makes you a very better developer. Or I just want that you will gain so much knowledge regarding .NET community as well. Okay. So this is why I created this video. Okay. And we are not talking about any coding related things as well. Okay. like it is a very general discussion thing. Okay. Or we will see the we will create the mindset of the .NET architect, or along with that senior level software developer as well. Okay. So I will tell you that what the surprises that I will show you later in this video. Or if I tell you one thing, that guys, thank you so much for your efforts, for your support on my YouTube channel. Okay. Or we have successfully completed our 670 plus hours watch time on my YouTube channel, along with the 22K plus views. So this is the thing that you have uh, provided to our YouTube channel. So definitely guys, we thankful for you. Okay. Or along with that, I promise you we will grow best. Okay. Or we will give you a very best content in this year. Okay. Or I will do lot of interactions with you like this. Okay. Like I am talking to you right now. Okay. So we will discuss so many things right now. Okay. And the later upcoming videos as well. Okay. Along with that, we will talk live as well on the Discord. It can be Google Meet. Okay. So there are a lot of things that we will do here. Okay. Or we will arrange we will arrange the online conferences as well. Okay. On the Zoom meeting or any kind of the online sources as well. Okay. So there are a lot of stuff, lot of things I have planned for you. Okay. Or this is the newer surprise for the .NET community developers. Okay. And you are super smart developers, guys. So actually guys, yes, like I personally thankful to myself as well. Okay. I have a very smart community. Or we have 450 plus .NET developers, a very smart developers as well. Okay. Or because they want to grow their skills, grow their knowledge as well. So this is why I created this video for you on 1st January. Or the five surprises is I will create five playlists for you on my YouTube channel. Or along with that, this five playlist will make you a very better, a very smart developer as well. Okay. Or it will, or you will see the behavioral changes as well. So this is why, or this is how, how we will execute the things one by one. Okay. So you will see these are the five steps that like that I will that we will see in the upcoming videos. Okay, so these are the five playlist that we will create, which is first playlist is .NET Spots, like spotlights. Second is .NET Strategy 2026. Third is .NET Interview Deep Dives. Fourth is .NET Hard Coded Problems. And fifth is Crack FAANG with .NET. Yes, guys, like most of the .NET developers, they don't know that how to crack FAANG companies. Or if you like everyone, like most of you have thought that like only AIML engineers, Python developers, Java developers can go in the FAANG companies, but not the .NET developers. Not, no, guys, it is not okay. Like .NET developers can also join the FAANG companies. Like, or I will guide you that how to crack the FAANG companies. Okay, there are a lot of opportunities with DSA or without DSA as well. Okay, so so I will tell you like what's the what are the steps to go in the fine companies with the DSA or non-DSA as well. Okay, or if you don't like DSA, don't worry, guys. Okay, there are still there's so much opportunity to go in the fine companies. Okay, or along with that, if I tell you that what is the .NET Spotlights, if I tell you that the .NET Spotlights means in this playlist we will discuss about the like .NET new features and what's going in the like what the thing is going in the .NET community as well. Okay, what's the thing and what's the blogs regarding the .NET which is available on the Microsoft blogs website. Okay, or and what's the current trend in the .NET as well. Okay, so these are so many things we will see in the .NET Spotlights. Okay, or this playlist will help you to like have the knowledge regarding the, okay, so this is the current trend in the .NET. Okay, or along with that you will see that like what is the trending topics that is going on in this year as well. Okay, so this is why I will create this playlist which is the .NET Spotlights. Okay, now the next thing is .NET Strategy 2026. Okay, in this playlist we will see that like mostly this playlist is for the mid-level developers or the fresher level developers as well. Okay, or if they want to become .NET developer or senior level developer. Okay, so I will guide you that how to become and how to reach at such positions as well. Okay, or I have created a roadmap video on the .NET. Okay, so just check out the link in the description box of this video, or you will land on this video, or please watch full video till the end. Okay, and it is around 45 minutes length of the video. In the 45 minutes you will get to know the exact roadmap to become .NET developer if you are the fresher. Okay, but if you are the middle level developer or like a junior developer and you are targeting to be senior software engineer, so this is the right playlist that you will learn that what's the strategies and what's the things that you need to understand, that you need to feel, that you need to develop in yourself. Okay, now the next playlist that we will see, which is the .NET interview deep dives. Okay, because like most of the .NET developers they don't know that how to switch the jobs. Okay, and how to talk in the interviews as well. What are the interviews questions and what the interviewer and what's the current and trending interview questions as well. Okay, because I took like I have took a lot of interviews of the junior developers, mid-level developers, and senior level developers as well. Okay, so I know that what's the current trend is going on in the global level. Okay, so I will guide you and I will tell you. Okay, so like what's the interviews like and how to prepare the .NET interviews in the big level companies as well. Okay, like FAANG level companies. Now, the fourth playlist is .NET hard coded problems. In this thing, we will see the like what kind of the exceptions is available. Okay, and how to debug the things, or we will see like where the .NET challenges is faced, like how to establish the microservices. Okay, or we will see the things like most of the things we will see regarding the microservices, but along with that in the hard coded problems like we will understand what's the best way to write the code optimization related things we will see in this playlist. Okay, now the next and the final playlist is crack FAANG with .NET. in this playlist we will see the things related to FAANG level companies and how to crack the FAANG companies with the .NET as well. Like you don't need to switch your language. Okay, like you are .NET developer, you are C# developer, and you want to target the FAANG level companies, but you have created the image that the FAANG level companies always demands the Python, Java, okay, and other languages, but they don't want the .NET developers. No guys, it is not like, okay, there are a lot of opportunity is available for the .NET developers as well. Trust me guys, I have seen lot of posts or lot of jobs regarding the .NET developers as well, okay, in the fan companies. Okay, so I will tell you, and I will time to time I will guide you that okay, so this company is have the notification in this company, so just go there and directly apply there. Okay, and we will see that like it is not for the FAANG companies as well. Like we will see the JP Morgan or Barclays, United Nations company, Emirates, or Qatar Airways as well. Okay, so and the multi-level financial companies as well. Okay, so we will see that how to crack such kind of the companies. Okay, so these are the 5 gifts and 5 surprises that I will give you in this year. Okay, to make you a very better like a .NET developer, or in this year you will see, and you will do so much interaction with me as well. Okay, and I will do same as well. Okay, so guys, I just want that please support our YouTube channel, our LinkedIn profile. Okay, or along with that, if I tell you one thing, that this is our YouTube channel, which is the Frontend to Backend with Rohan. Okay, or you will see that at this moment we have 464 subscribers with the 144 videos. Okay, there are around 105 long videos, and the rest of are the shorts videos. Okay, so please watch the videos that you find the interest as well. Okay, or for the junior developers and for the fresher guys, you have to watch this video, which is the .NET roadmap to get job in 2026. If you are targeting to be .NET developer in 2026, so this is the right video to start your journey here. Okay, or this is our company, this is our company page, which is the f2bstack.com, and I'm the founder of the f2b stack. Okay, so like this company we always targeting the .NET developers, or and we always help the .NET developers to make the better .NET developers. Okay, so we take the motto to make you a very smart developer as well. Okay, so this is why I created this video today, or I want you to I want to make you a very good developer, a very best developer. Okay, because I want that my community developers should have a very excellent skills, or I just want that they have these kind of the knowledge as well. Okay, or I will guide you in these 5 playlists. So please watch all these 5 playlists one by one. Okay, or I will or we will create so much videos regarding this thing. Okay, or we will upload so much tutorials as well. Okay, new trending topics. Okay, trending tutorials as well. Okay, so that so that you will have the knowledge regarding the new technologies as well. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, or I just want to subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video to your friends, your colleagues, your network as well. This is me, Rohan Kumawat. Okay, helping 300k plus engineers with .NET, and I'm founder of the F2B Tech, and I'm software architect as well, YouTube content creator as well. Okay, so this is how the things I have planned for you, or we will execute the things. I just want your support. Okay, oh guys, there is another thing that I want to discuss with you, which is the like in my YouTube channel, most of you don't like you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel as well. Okay, or let me show you the things related to the, like how the like like what I'm exactly talking to you. Okay, or let me go to my channel dashboard, so that you will get better understand regarding the things that what I am exactly trying to say you. Okay, or yes, so around 86 people of you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel. only 14% is my only subscribed my user. Okay, so I just want, please, 86% people that subscribe to this channel, because this channel is only for you, not me as well. Okay, this channel is only for you. Okay, and I'm here for you, and we will create so much videos, we will become .NET developers as well, because guys, you know that .NET technology is the highest and most demanding technology in the 2026. Okay, and if you talk about the at the enterprise level, and whenever the big companies always create the enterprise level of the application, they always choose the .NET developers. Okay, and .NET technology. So these companies always demands the smart developers. So I will make you the smart developer to create such kind of the positions as well. Okay, and to work with such kind of the projects as well. Okay, so thank you for watching this video till here, or till then, take care guys, bye bye, have a good day, and once again, happy new year.